What's going on, everybody? So one of the things that I like to do when I have a little bit of a slower season is I like to try some recipes for entrees and appetizers that I'm going to be putting on the spring and summer menu. So today we are messing around with a peach and burrata toast. So first thing I'm going to do is get a nice thick cut slice of bread, throw some extra virgin olive oil on it, and get it in a nice hot cast iron pan. Start getting color on both sides of that bread. Then we're going to thin slice that peach and fan it out on top of the piece of bread. About half a piece of burrata is perfect going on top of the peaches. You're going to spread that out. And then I take some fresh basil. I like to pick the little leaves that are in between the bigger leaves. It just adds a little bit nicer of a presentation while plating it. And then we have some prosciutto, which I also rip up into smaller pieces, so you're not biting and ripping off that whole piece of prosciutto. You have a bite of prosciutto with each bite of bread. And then we have some toasted pistachios that I'll give a rough chop to, throw it on top of the prosciutto. And then we have a blackberry balsamic, which I take balsamic vinegar, sugar, and some fresh blackberries, cook those down, use an immersion blender, and then strain out the seeds. Then we have some smoked Maldon sea salt right over the top of that. And that is the finished product. If you're liking how this looks and you want to see it on the spring summer menu, drop a comment or a like.